New chairperson for EFCC. My people, Buhari don dey at work again. This one dey latest. As I dey talk to Nana, Ibrahim don comot for seat. Buhari himself don write to the Senate this thing, contact dem say he dey appoint this new person. Say he don remove that one because many corruption, many bribery, in fact, if for una wey no even know, this Ibrahim wey they talk about, im matter don full book. You understand? For this last year wey just pass, 22 corruption allegation against this man. Only one person, 22. Ha! Omo, im matter don full for Buhari ear. Now why Buhari now he don say okay, oh, me step down because him don get another one wey go come on seat. And person wey dey come on seat now, him name na Bawa. They sure say many of una go even know am. Bawa, this one, according to matter wey reach me, they say him get a BSc degree for economics, masters in international affairs. In fact, many things. They say the guy read books. Now him dey take over Ibrahim. Wetin una dey expect again? Senate go approve this thing. In fact, they do already approve am. No be one thing. Later from Buhari, make Senate no approve am. They don approve am. See, as long as say na Nodna dey involved, forget am. They don't even sign am finish. I no get any problem with changing of people. You understand? Where person no, they don't remove this one because they look for better person. I don't get any problem. My problem now with all this matter where they grant. Why be say every time na Abdul they come sit? Every time Abdul, if no be not now, we not go hear any other name. When Nigerians they vote for president, we been a vote for president for the whole of Nigeria. We be like say now. Make I not even involve myself. All of una know myself. APC, say Baba, see say Baba now. Now we get president for the north. We no get president of Nigeria. Northerners don't occupy. In fact, they don't carry all the space where normal people suppose carry. This Buhari tribalism matter, it don't tire me. Like it dey shock me every day. I know say I not supposed they shock, but the thing they shock. Like as the days they pass, they get new shocking things. Buhari, make I even bust on her head. Abi he change Ibrahim for Bawa. Based on corruption level, all those plenty things, you understand? Okay, now, una no go even believe, say, this same Bawa now, where they just put on that seat, Ibrahim be arrested before. Why? They say fraud, this oil matter. They say Bawa, if una see money where this man thief. Now, Buhari now don't go brick, put for that seat. Why Nigeria no go dey the way e dey? No, make person tell me why Nigeria no. It dey very obvious say na cow dey rule Nigeria. Cows. Now why we no even know whether we dey move forward or we dey one place or we dey go back. Like I no just understand. You remove devil assistant, then you come put devil himself. So who they can't lead who now? If you say you dey fight corruption, or you say you dey fight bribery, even though you dey fight am, why you no look for person wey? See, I know say nobody dey perfect, but at least people still dey way better pass these two. These two now. Buhari. I know just see, I dey tell una this thing every day, but the day go come when I go see am. Buhari take vow with Northerners. E be like say they do blood covenant. Because this man no be himself again. People just dey remote am. They remote am. They just tell her one thing, go just do am. Malam na malam o. Una go tell me say now this one read books. I no say read books. Malam still be malam. If you like, go school. If you like, wear suit. If you like, barb your hair. You still be malam. Nothing change am. See plenty things where this one go learn abroad. People go on the hail and now. Everybody don't tell and say read this one, do masters, do this one. All that one now with our money. With our money, Where we still dey suffer, na one person, only one person go read all these titles just to consider. Una know how many educated Yoruba people dey there, Igbo people. Make I no even talk of the rest of the tribes. Now wey na northerners na only dey rule. I for don Chineke, I no just know. See, I for don sit down now, tell this one say I hope say he go do better. You understand? I be one wish am well. Before I hear say na Bawa, I be 1 week, because as I hear say they don dey change, at least change is constant, and we dey change people because of good things. When this matter reach me, I don dey happy say okay, at least this person go do well, this person. Omo, as I hear say na Bawa, my people, I change my mind. I change my mind. I no dey wish anybody well, because last e go come end up dey do the same thing wey this one dey do, if not worse. So now when these people enter seat, una go dey see their true colors. So me, I no dey wish anybody good luck. I no dey wish, if you like, as you sit down now, empty the whole Nigeria. You no go shock us, because we don already dey used to this system. No be new thing to us. We know how na dey operate. You wey dey arrest before, you don consider now. So this time around, wetin dey come tell us? Imagine person wey dey arrest before, fraud. Na him go soon start dey give us advice. And una expect make we listen to this one. Nigeria, na only prayers now fit hold this country. Anything aside, see, no meeting go change Nigeria. If you like, get 100 meetings in one day, e no go change anything. Because see, for this country to be changed, the people in power need to be changed. We no fit, that thing wey they talk, you no fit you put a new wine inside old bottle. E no dey possible. Everything must be new. Na like this, una dey find change. Na like this, merry-go-round. You go remove this one, put that one. You go even very soon now, they go soon go carry criminals as president. I no go dey shocked. How una go dey behave like this? Many educated people dey there, where if you put them on that seat, something go change for this country. But no, selfish reasons. Nobody is looking at another person, only in people. I bet make 2023 reach, because as I dey like this, Oti sue me. I am tired. So I just dey wait for 2023. And for una, say Baba group, say Baba gang, go vote again. Oh. I be like say all this one una don swallow, you never do una. Now una bring am there, so una go endure all the things una put. Una go endure and join. You understand? My people, I don't bring the matter for una. So anything where you guys to say concerning this thing, if you agree, make this man Bawa dey on that seat, still put am there. You understand? I go reply on a one by one. Comment and subscribe. Click on that notification bell so that you no go miss anything where we drop. Stay tuned for our next stories.